Gardening is a rewarding and fulfilling hobby that allows us to connect with nature, grow our own food, and beautify our surroundings. However, to truly enjoy the gardening experience and make the most of your efforts, having the right tools is essential. In today's video, we're diving into the essential gardening tools that every gardener should have in their toolkit. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools will help you cultivate your garden with ease and efficiency. Let's start with the basics. The first tool on our list is the trusty hand trowel. This small but mighty tool is perfect for digging, planting, and transferring soil. Its pointed blade makes it easy to break up compacted soil, while the curved shape allows for precise planting of seedlings or bulbs. When choosing a hand trowel, look for one with a comfortable grip and a sturdy blade that can withstand the rigors of gardening. A quality hand trowel will quickly become your go-to tool for a variety of tasks. Next up is the garden fork. This tool is essential for loosening soil, turning compost, and aerating your garden beds. The sturdy tines of a garden fork can break up hard soil and mix in organic matter, which is vital for healthy plant growth. When selecting a garden fork, opt for one with a solid handle and durable tines. A good garden fork will save you time and effort when preparing your garden for planting. Now, let's talk about pruning shears, also known as secateurs. These are indispensable for any gardener looking to maintain healthy plants. Pruning shears are perfect for trimming back overgrown branches, deadheading flowers, and harvesting fruits and vegetables. A sharp pair of shears will make clean cuts, promoting faster healing for your plants. When choosing pruning shears, look for ones that fit comfortably in your hand and have a locking mechanism for safe storage. Another essential tool is the garden rake. Rakes come in various shapes and sizes, but for general gardening, a bow rake is a great choice. This tool is perfect for leveling soil, breaking up clumps, and spreading mulch or compost. A good garden rake should have sturdy tines that can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor use. With a reliable rake in your arsenal, you'll be able to prepare your garden beds with ease. As we move on, let's discuss the importance of a good watering can. Whether you're tending to indoor plants or outdoor gardens, a watering can allows you to deliver water precisely where it's needed. Look for a can with a comfortable handle and a spout that allows for controlled pouring. Some watering cans even come with a detachable spout for added versatility. Having a reliable watering can will ensure that your plants receive the hydration they need to thrive. Of course, we can't forget about gloves. A good pair of gardening gloves is essential for protecting your hands from thorns, splinters, and dirt. Look for gloves that are durable yet flexible, allowing you to maintain dexterity while working. Some gloves even come with reinforced fingertips for added protection. Investing in a quality pair of gardening gloves will keep your hands safe and comfortable as you dig, plant, and prune. Now, let's talk about a tool that often gets overlooked, the garden hoe. This versatile tool is perfect for breaking up soil, removing weeds, and creating furrows for planting. A hoe can save you a lot of time and effort in the garden, especially when tackling larger areas. When choosing a hoe, look for one with a comfortable handle and a sturdy blade that can withstand tough soil conditions. With a reliable hoe, you'll be able to keep your garden tidy and well-maintained. As we continue our journey through essential gardening tools, we cannot overlook the importance of a good wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is invaluable for transporting soil, plants, and other materials around your garden. When selecting a wheelbarrow, consider the size and weight capacity that best suits your needs. A sturdy wheelbarrow with a comfortable handle will make it easy to move heavy loads without straining your back. With a wheelbarrow at your side, you'll be able to tackle larger gardening projects with confidence. Another important tool to have is a garden spade. A spade is perfect for digging holes, edging beds, and dividing perennials. Its flat blade allows for precise digging and cutting, making it an essential tool for any gardener. When selecting a spade, look for one with a comfortable grip and a durable blade that can handle tough soil conditions. A good spade will help you create beautiful garden beds and maintain a tidy landscape. Let's not forget about a garden kneeler or seat. Gardening can be tough on the knees and back, so a comfortable kneeler can make a world of difference. Many garden kneelers come with handles that allow you to easily get up and down, reducing strain on your joints. Some even double as a seat, providing a convenient spot to take a break while you work. Investing in a garden kneeler will enhance your gardening experience and help you stay comfortable as you dig and plant. As we wrap up our list of essential gardening tools, let's talk about the importance of a good soil thermometer. Monitoring soil temperature is crucial for successful planting and growing. A soil thermometer allows you to check the temperature of the soil before planting seeds or seedlings, ensuring that you're planting at the right time. Look for a thermometer that's easy to read and has a durable design. With a soil thermometer in hand, you'll be able to make informed decisions about when to plant and how to care for your garden. Finally, we can't forget about the importance of a garden journal. While not a physical tool, a garden journal is an invaluable resource for tracking your gardening progress, noting what works and what doesn't, and planning for future seasons. Documenting your gardening journey will help you learn and grow as a gardener, making it easier to replicate your successes and avoid past mistakes. So grab a notebook or start a digital journal to keep track of your plants, their growth, and your gardening experiences. To recap, having the right tools can make all the difference in your gardening experience. From hand trowels and garden forks to pruning shears and wheelbarrows, each of these tools plays a vital role in helping you cultivate a thriving garden. Remember to invest in quality tools that fit your needs and comfort level, as they will serve you well for years to come. As you embark on your gardening journey, keep in mind that gardening is not just about the tools. It's also about the joy of nurturing plants and watching them grow. With the right tools in hand, you'll be well equipped to create a beautiful and productive garden that brings you joy and satisfaction. So gather your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's get gardening. Happy planting!